All right, so up here in the ceiling of the back deck, there is these solar like lights, these LED lights that have crisscrossed, and it was always kind of cool. We always liked the ambient light, and so I don't know, the batteries probably have worn out. This is what they look like. They're just like solar powered. They use like AA rechargeable landscape lights, and I have replaced them before and had both of them working, and then about a year now just one of them was working, and I just haven't done anything to it. So today I'm gonna put up LEDs that don't use batteries though, that plug into the wall. So these are what companies are selling now. They changed the color to, I guess, brownish to kind of give it, blend in more with landscape stuff. So it's just Christmas lights with a different colored cord, but that's fine. We're gonna put them up and see how they look. All right, I like that. It's hanging kind of low. I may raise those up just a little bit, but for the most part, I like it. Okay, this is a few days later. I went back and raised it up in 4 spots. I had some of those extra clamps. So this looks better. It's not hanging as low. It was kind of sagging before. So we like this better. Looks nice. I put this up years ago, but just a little light for this area.